Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with yarn. I almost said blues. I don't know where that came from. Old name. Anyway, what you're looking at is my diamond painting, and I have a new little tool that I purchased yesterday on Amazon under $20 to help me along with this type of diamond painting. This is where I'm at so far with Jack of the Caribbeans. And so let me show you what I actually purchased. I haven't opened it yet, so I just tore the tape off. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so what I ordered was a light pad for this. Now, these are other accessories that came with it. There may be a little pamphlet to show. Excuse my hand. I've been doing a lot of things today around the house, and I didn't put any lotion on before I started this video. So 1, 2 here. It's like a tray for the drills. I listened to Grace Maltese and the drills. So this is for the drills. I seriously doubt if I'll be using that. I like the way they come as they are. I haven't found any problem yet where I need to transfer that over, the drills into that. And a cord to charge it up. Oh yeah, I see the instructions for clips. And the stand part. Okay. Crinkly noise. Okay. Here's the stand. Here. You know, I haven't read the instructions yet, so... Oh, that one's pretty tight. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so I'm just doing, I'm guessing, something like that. Seems to be very, okay, there's 4 holes here. Okay, and then one here. Okay, well, anyway, I'll put that together. I'll take a few seconds and put that together. And here is the actual pad with the instructions right here. Okay, there we go. Peel off the protective film before using. Okay, you guys, so I'm sure I'm going to have to charge this up, but I will get back with you guys. I hope you're having a, today is Tuesday the 30th. We're at the end of the month. Time is moving fast. Didn't feel like it was moving fast, but somehow this month it caught up. Sorry about that noise. So let me get back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I am back. It took a few minutes to get this put up, and I think that is the correct way. So let me show you. So here we go. This goes this way. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Okay. Make sure this don't flip off. A little wibbly there. Hold on. You're a little wobbly. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get you to stay still. Okay, so, whoa. You know, so funny. I bought so many stands over the years, and then the simplest one and the easy to maneuver around is the best one so far. Okay, a little bit not too straight. There you go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's on its stand here. Okay, and I'm going to take this film off. This plug to the power source. Easy. You know, I wanted one with a case, but it's going to take next month. Nope, I want it now. And then find out that one with the case. It came with the case, but it didn't come with the stand, but it looked like it was on a stand. But when I read the specifics, it was not on a stand. So let me see, where did Jack go? Okay, so here's Jack. You guys can't really see him. Okay, there we go. I can get you to stay up there, Jack. Can't get him all the way in. Okay. Stay still, sir. Yeah. This one right here. Oh, okay. I just kept squeezing. One. Okay, so this is what Jack looked like here. And let's try the light. That's one power source. I guess I would have to take this. I can see it a lot better though. Okay, I can see it a lot better. These here. Let me just show you. See how you can see those letters a lot better. And I think it has 3. There's one. There's another light. Oh, this one is the best. Oh, I like that one. Okay, I wanted to share this with you guys. Amazon, under $20. Overnight delivery. Well, yeah. So I'm let me let you guys go. There's Jack. Let me cut off my big light and see what it looked like. Okay. One more test. There's Jack. Okay. Yeah, but I think I like that. Yeah. See how that look? Yeah. Okay, you guys. Have a good day. Until the next video, I will be showing my finished product with this. And, you know, I have to make scarves now for my hats. Normally, I make them at the same time. But I got so good with using my little, my knit machine. But I like to give a matching hat to go with, a matching scarf to go with the hats that I make, that I donate. So I need to get to work on that. And that's hand done. So you guys take care until the next video. Take care of yourself and help someone else out if you can. Bye-bye.